Hello students, welcome to math class. So today I'm here to share you something about income, that is taxable income. So what is allowance, what is annual or total income in a year, about all this. So basically taxable income is actually total or annual income, that is income in a month multiplied by 12. And if you multiply monthly income by 12, you will definitely get annual income. So why we are converting the monthly income into annual income, we have to understand upon it. So since tax is charged in annual system, it is calculated annually. So we have to convert the income also to annual system. And this allowance is also calculated in terms of year. It's not calculated in terms of month. So generally in tax, when we are calculating, we do all the calculations on the basis of annual system, not on monthly system. But in some organizations, instead of paying tax annually, it is calculated and break down into 12 months and then paid monthly. So it looks like paying monthly, but actually it's calculated annually by breakdown rule, that is dividing the 1 year tax by 12 and convert it into monthly and then deduct. So here annual income is taxable income plus allowance. If you add allowance to taxable income, you will get annual income, and allowance means tax-free amount or tax-free income. So if it is the income like you don't have to pay tax on the accountability of the government, then that is called allowance. So I can say allowance means allowed not to pay tax. Okay, the income that is allowed for not paying tax to the government, and tax is the compulsory payment made to the government. So if you don't have to pay tax to the government, if you don't have to pay direct tax like income tax, and if you are allowed not to pay tax, then that is called allowance. So income tax is the rate of tax into taxable income, because income tax is paid only on taxable income, and there is some certain rate of tax known as rate of tax itself. So rate of tax, if you do use again here cross multiplication rule, then from this formula you can derive the rate of tax as income tax divided by taxable income into 100. So why 100? Because it is the rate of tax expressed in percentage. So percent means out of 100, that's why into 100 is required. Okay, now let's do the problem related with it. I'm going to show you, I'm going to demonstrate to you one question related with tax. Okay, let me go through it. The question is like this. So please see the video till the end so that you will get complete solution. So the question is like this here. Use in annual income is rupees 3,20,000. His PF or provident fund is rupees 36,000, and citizen investment trust or citizen investment fund is rupees 60,000, and the insurance premium, that is installment of the insurance done, that is life insurance, that is paid only once in a year, is rupees 14,000, which are tax-free amounts. Okay, these are all allowance. So it is saying tax-free amounts. So if you can see here tax-free amount, then this is another phrase used for allowance. Okay, these are allowance. So if the tax rate for the first taxable 2 lakh is 1%, and for the taxable income above 2 lakh is 15%, it is going in second slab. Okay, it is going in second slab. So find the income tax per year. So note there is no need to pay tax for the money deposit in PF, CIT, and annual insurance installment, which are tax-free and represented as a tax-free income. So total allowance is PF plus CIT plus insurance premium or insurance installment that you have to pay once in a year. So here it's 36,000 plus 60,000 plus 14,000, which is total adds up to 1,10,000. Taxable income is total income minus allowance. Total income is 3,20,000 minus 1,10,000, which is rupees 210,000. So we have to break down this taxable income into two parts, because it is saying in the question that it's 1% for 2 lakh, and next directly to second slab is 15% for second remaining amount. So since 2 lakh 10,000 means 2 lakh plus 10,000. So tax slab for 2 lakh is 1%, and above 2 lakh is 15%. So let's break down it and see. Income tax means rate of tax into taxable income. This is the formula. So here rate of tax is 1% for 2 lakhs, so it's 2,000, and also it's not 10%, it's 15% given here. So it's 15%. You can see 15% of 10,000, which is remaining amount out of 2,10,000 is here. So 15% of this is definitely 10,000 is 1,500. So total income tax is income tax obtained from here 2,000. Okay, I'm adding this one. Okay, I'm adding this one, and I'm adding this one, because these are two income tax that we are obtaining by using percentage of the rate of tax. So total income tax is finally we add up, and this is the final answer that the question was asking. So this is finally the total income tax due to two tax slab, 1% and 15%, that we can see here in the question. Okay. So here it is 1% and 15%, that is two tax slab. That's why we have to add these two, 1,500 and 2,000, and get the total income tax as rupees 3,500. So due to all these three things like CIT, Provident Fund, PF, and insurance premium, his tax was reduced to some extent. He was getting relief from tax, though his annual income was 3,20,000. So with this, hope that you are understanding about tax-free amount as in allowance